Okay, I'll bite. What are you doing?
Oh boy. Well, look, I'm trying to find some snackums, but doesn't look like you have. Oh, I found some. Tricky, trying to hide it right in the back of me that I can't see it, huh?
No, I mean, what are you doing here?
What?
At my house.
Right. So I'm trying to use my garage door opener to open other garage doors. So far, nothing.
Okay, but why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Come on. I talk to plants and I think girls have cooties. Does this really come to a surprise to you?
Well, I guess that's true.
Exactly.
Well, I will save you the trouble, my friend. It is a myth.
What? Oh man, that's a bad luck. That's all, man.
No. Slipping on an ice cube is bad luck. This is just stupid.
Fine. You don't believe me? I'll get Carlo to prove this to you.
Alright, fine. Do it.
Okay, I will.
Go ahead.
Okay, consider it done.
Alright, what are you waiting for?
Well, nothing. What are you waiting for?
Waiting on you?
Yeah, you are.
That doesn't make sense.
You're right. It doesn't. Oh, Carlo!
Here you go, what more?
Yeah. I think I saw something in the back when I was looking for these. Go help yourself.
Alright.
Okay, no, that's cool, guys. Yeah, go ahead and take my food. No
Yeah.
problem.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's great, got it.
I was being sarcastic. Alright, never mind. Just ask him.
Right. So, can my garage door opener open any other garage door?
I mean, you're a liar. There was no guacamole.
Hey, man, I'm sorry. I thought I saw some when I saw these. But I'm right, ain't I?
No, you're wrong.
Ha! Told you. Yet again.
You know? You're always right, too, you know?
Yeah, well, in this particular instance, right here, right now, boom. I'm right.
Hooray! That's bueno. Can I leave now?
Yeah,
I even get some whack.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Just leave. Adios.
Right. See you out.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You think of what I'm thinking?
Oh, yeah. Guacamole! Hey, Carlo, wait up! Where's my guacamole, too?